If industrial hygiene makes you think of the sign you often see in public restrooms, pay attention to the definition that follows. Industrial hygiene is about so much more. OSHA defines industrial hygiene as that science and art devoted to the anticipation, recognition, evaluation, and control of those environmental factors or stresses arising in or from the workplace, which may cause sickness, impaired health or well-being, or significant discomfort among workers or among the citizens of a community. Industrial hygienists monitor the work environment and analyze what they find to determine the degree workers are exposed to potential hazards. Then they can use various methods to control these hazards so they no longer pose a risk. If your company doesn't have an industrial hygienist, never fear. OSHA's industrial hygienists provide training, advice, and inspections. By following OSHA's best practices, you can contribute to the industrial hygiene of your workplace. The main steps in industrial hygiene are: conduct a worksite analysis, identify and assess the hazards, prevent and control hazards. Let's take a closer look at these steps.